In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the Buy Now button text in Shopify Sense theme. This button can be tricky because it's often generated dynamically by Shopify, which means the label isn't always easy to edit through the usual theme settings. The most reliable, fast approach is a simple CSS override, and I'll walk you through it step by step along with tips to make sure it looks and behaves the way you expect. First, open your Shopify admin, then head to Online Store, Themes, and choose your current theme. Click Actions, then Edit Code. We'll add a small snippet that tells the browser to hide the original label and display your custom text instead. Open your main layout file. In most Sense setups, that's layout/theme.liquid. You're looking for the head section. We'll place our CSS near the top before the closing head tag. Paste this snippet. If you prefer keeping styles in a style sheet, you can place the same rules in your main CSS file instead. Either location works, just make sure the rules load on product pages and aren't overridden later. The first rule sets the original button label's font size to 0, effectively hiding it. The second rule uses a pseudo element to overlay your custom text, keeping the button layout intact. Now, replace your desired text with the exact phrase you want, such as buy now, order now, or checkout. Keep the quotation marks and adjust the font size value to match your theme's typography if needed. Click Save, then preview your store. Navigate to a product page and confirm the Buy Now button shows your new text. If you don't see changes right away, try a hard refresh or clear your browser cache. A few quick tips. Because this is a CSS overlay, screen readers may still announce the original label, so be mindful of accessibility. Test on mobile and desktop, and check different products or accelerated checkout states to ensure consistency. Finally, theme updates can change class names, so if the text reverts in the future, revisit this snippet and update the selector accordingly. That's it. Your Buy Now button now displays exactly what you want in the Sense theme.